After watching this video, you'll be able to attach anything to a wall like this. Alright, so after you import your footage, the first thing you want to do is select it and click on Track Camera. Now, if you don't see this option, no worries, just go up to Window and enable Tracker from there. Once you've clicked on Track Camera, head over to the Advanced section and check the box for detailed analysis. Then just sit back and let After Effects do its thing. When it's done, you'll notice these colorful dots all over your footage. Pick the spot where you want to place your photo. Right-click and select Create Solid and Camera. This will set up a 3D tracker and a solid layer for you. Next, right-click on the solid layer and choose Pre-Compose. Make sure the first option is checked, then hit OK. Now double-click on the pre-comp you just created. Import whatever object or image you want to. Place it on top of the tracker solid and adjust its size as needed. Then click the eye icon to hide the green solid layer. Go back to the main composition and boom, your object is now in place. You can scale it or make any adjustments here. To make it look more realistic, you can tweak the opacity. And that's how you can easily add objects to a wall in After Effects. If you're just getting started with After Effects, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like the video.